Welcome back. Afternoon trade on the Lal Street is looking extremely positive. More than 1% gained on both the benchmark indices at this point. And stock-specific activity, lots of pockets of green out there. One such counter which is gaining today and rather sharply, 2.5% gained on HCL Infosystems. That stock is right now trading at 46 rupees roughly a piece. HCL Infosystems has launched 3 new tablets, and the company says that it has cornered about 15% of the Indian tablet market after launching its first tablet, which is the Me Tab. Last year that was priced about 11,000 rupees roughly. So the price tag of these new 3 tablets that they've launched, they're even more competitive, starting at 7,999 rupees roughly. Let's get some perspective going on this development at the company with Gautam Advani, who's the EVP Mobility Head at HCL Infosystems. Mr. Advani, good morning, good afternoon. Thanks very much for joining in. Competitiveness, that's definitely one thing, and that's fine. But what's also critical towards success, I guess, is the technology or the features. How do these new products fare on the technology side, and also point of sale? How are you selling these, looking at selling these or marketing these 3 products?
Well, in terms of technology, first of all, a very good afternoon to you and all the viewers. In terms of technology, it has the latest and the very best in terms of Android 4 and ice cream sandwich. So it has that, and it has, we've customized it to make it Indian at heart. So it has 17 preloaded applications which come preloaded with it. And the best part about this is that we have something called HCL Touch, which is an after-sale service network. Because when you ask me the next question on distribution and point of sale, we expect to go to rural India, and when you go deeper into the heartland of real India, at that point in time you need after-sale service support. So we cover 4,000 towns and 11 regional languages besides English and Hindi. So really that's our spread. Now in terms of handling it at retail POS, this is currently available at little over 2,000 outlets across the country. With this price point, we expect to expand this aggressively and reach a figure of about 8,000 outlets in the country. So that's our game plan.
Okay, so through these outlets, what sort of volumes are you expecting on these 3 tablets, all 3 products combined?
Well, last year the market size was a niche market size, and it was 350,000 units for the tablet market. This year we expect the market to be 1 million plus, and we expect to hold our market share of 15%.
Okay. We already know, Mr. Advani, that you are planning to bid for making Akash 2, which is an improved version of Akash 1. But do you know what the price point is that is going to come in from the government? And even if you don't, you must have some inkling. Do you think you'll be able to deliver a quality product within that range?
Meeting those price points is quite difficult, if I may say so. It's quite difficult, ma'am. And so we find it difficult to meet those price points, but we are hoping that the government would look at vendors like HCL and give us an opportunity to be part of this great saga which they've created in the country, and which would do wonders for the technology and the IT industry in the country.
Good luck on that front, Mr. Advani. Just a quick last question. We know you've launched operations in Qatar through a tie-up with Darko International. Pardon me if I'm not pronouncing that correctly. But tell us in brief what this tie-up is about, what it brings to your company, and any financial details of this tie-up that you're willing to share.
I won't be able to comment on that right now, ma'am.
Okay. All right, it's too early for that, I guess, Mr. Advani, but we'll touch base with you once again, hopefully sooner rather than later, to get you more updates on business and outlook going ahead. But congratulations on the launch of 3 new products, 3 new tablets. That's HCL Infosystems. Stock is trading up at this point in time. Shifting focus away to the oil and gas space, there are some important brokerage calls coming in this morning from Macquarie on ONGC and HPCL. Shefali is also joining in right now with details of what Macquarie seems to